Guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you about Instagram new instant feature. So everyone is getting the new instant feature. In case this feature is missing on your account, you need to watch this video till end carefully. Okay, so let's get started. First you need to update your Instagram. Open the Play Store and simply search the Instagram. Update your Instagram app. Most new feature require the newest app version. That's why you need to update this. After updating, open the Instagram app and go to your messages section, and hopefully now it will show you that instant feature of Instagram. Still the problem is same. Once again open the Play Store. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to join the beta version of this app. Scroll down slightly. Here you can get the option to join the beta program. So just simply click on join beta. So I have already joined the beta tester of this app, so that's why it was showing you a beta tester. Now close the Play Store, open the Play Store again. Now search the Instagram, and if the update is showing again after joining the beta tester, simply update the app. After updating, open the app, go to your messages section of your Instagram. Hopefully now the feature was added here. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Now you need to log out your Instagram account from your device. Okay, like this. After logging out, close this. Now you need to clear your cache. Tap and hold on your Instagram, open the app info. Now scroll down, open the storage, clear the cache, go back, and here you can get the option force stop. Tap on it and forcefully stop your app. Now close this, close Instagram from recent menu and restart your phone one time. After restarting, open the Instagram app once again, go to your messages section of Instagram. Hopefully now it will add at 100%. Still the problem is same. Now you need to open your Instagram settings. In the Instagram settings, scroll down and find out content preferences settings. Open it, and here you can get the one option, hide instant in inbox. If the option is enabled, simply disable it. Now go back, go to your messages section. Finally, as you can see guys, our new Instagram feature was added in my Instagram, that called instant feature. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Thank you.